What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. We're going to be going over the technicals for Baby Doge and what we got going on next. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. Now go over any crypto that the members want me to go over. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Okay, so let's get straight to the technicals. And the first thing that you can see here with Baby Doge, we're actually slowly but surely trying to get back here to the 2.8 area. And that's the 2.8 resistance. So slowly but surely in the 24-hour market control, still in control by the bears by 60%. You can see over here on the oscillator, we're trying to get some of those purchasing power back in. You can see people buying into Baby Doge right here on the oscillator. You can see the uptrends. But right now, we're slowly but surely trying to get back to 2.8. Now, I think this is still a bull trap. Remember, if it gets to 2.8, we're probably going to get rejected there like we did before. So you can see here when it was at this mini consolidation, I like to call it the mini consolidation because it's very small. It was trying to consolidate, but like literally right at the end, let me take off these indicators. Right at the end of that consolidation, it broke out onto that downtrend because we did not have enough buying pressure. And you can see it was mainly selling pressure throughout the whole entire consolidation period. We're trading right between that resistance line here of 2.8. The second that we hit that 2.8 line at the end of the consolidation, boom, we just started to go way below it. And now you're seeing Baby Doge trying to slowly but surely get back to it. So what I believe is about to happen when we actually get up to that 2.8 flat area, once we get up to 2.8, we're probably going to end up getting rejected and going down to about 2.5. And then from there, trying to get back up to 2.6. And then from there, going down eventually all the way down to a 2.4. So it'll probably look a little bit like this, doing some movements here, possibly hitting the 2.8 area here, getting rejected, slowly but surely getting down here to 2.4, and then when we are at 2.5 actually, and then we get down here to 2.5, we may try to make that comeback back up here to the 2.6 area before another rejection down to 2.4. Now, like I said, 2.4 is very significant because that's a really big area of not resistance, but it's a really good support for us. It's really good support for Baby Doge. So what I'm going to show you what we had previously at the 2.4 supports. So going all the way back here on the 4-hour chart, like I said in my video yesterday, if you didn't watch it, definitely watch it. It goes over all this inside of full. Literally, these are bull flags here. This bull flag here was the previous one. Right at the end, we had that breakout, and then at this one, right at the end, we should have another breakout sometime in April. That's what I'm saying. April is going to be really nice for Baby Doge. Now, over here, you can see at this bull flag, the bottom was pretty much 1.4, and now the next channel up, literally 100% up from the next channel, is actually the 2.4. So it's like every single 100% we go up to another area of resistance or support, I mean. So from 1.4 to 2.4, 2.4 being our new bottom, 1.4 being our previous bottom back here. So that was the whole bottom back here at 1.4 and our new one over here at 2.4. So 2.4, when we actually hit that area, expect Baby Doge to trade sideways maybe for like a week on the 2.4 area, possibly even less than a week or maybe 2 weeks, but just expect it to be there for a little bit of a time before it actually starts to pump. I definitely believe it's going to pump after that. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, just going off of technical indicators, going off of all these technicals. And as you can see, we're actually expected to get more demand over here. So, or expected to get more demand over here. So we're expected to get more demand around the 2.4 area, 2.5 area. And over here, the red area pretty much shows less demand. That's why I'm saying we're going to get rejected here when we hit 2.8 because there's way less demand for Baby Doge there. There's a lot of people that are willing to sell Baby Doge at this area because they're down inside Baby Doge. So they're looking at a good area to sell. So they're probably going to end up selling around that area. And if people end up selling around there, you're going to see us eventually drop down to 2.5, try to pump up because people are going to buy that dip, and then probably pump up to about 2.6 until there is another sell for Baby Doge, leading it down to 2.4. So that's pretty much how we could do this. Now, whether or not we do this 100% to a T, it 100% depends on the market. 100% depends on everything from the crypto market to the financial markets in general, from the stock market and everything. Whether or not we have all of these different, wars going on like how we have now. But anyways, Baby Doge has been moving sideways a little bit. It's been trying to gain these momentum back. But as you can see, Baby Doge is still moving sideways, still going down as well over the not long term, but 30-day period. But yeah, I definitely believe there's potential here for Baby Doge to rise. The whole crypto market is still starting to do some recoveries. And whether or not this is a bull trap, I don't know. But the news that we just now got in is kind of good, kind of bad, but it's still going to be good long term for us. So let's just hope everything goes good in the financial markets. Let's hope we don't have the whole war going on in Ukraine and all that, because that's really one of the telltale signals whether or not we go up or down. But anyways, Baby Doge now has almost 1.5 million holders, 1,465,338 holders. That's pretty big right there. Pretty good accomplishment. We've been donating this whole time to humane societies internationally. We've been donating all over the world. So they said thanks for the generous support of Baby Dogecoin. For $25,000 in donations were matched for our Ukraine efforts and to help animals in crisis around the world. With your support, we're able to continue our life-saving work. So yeah, Baby Doge really out there helping dogs all the time. So it's still a good cause. It doesn't even matter what all these technicals. I mean, we're doing good stuff in the world. So whether you buy Baby Doge at the peak or buy it at the dip, like, you're still helping out dogs all over the world. So it's still a good thing. And also, the giveaway for the 10 whitelist spots is going to be over in about 24 hours. You can see it here, 24 hours. The winners will be announced. All you got to do to enter is follow Baby Doge NFT's Twitter page and then retweet this tweet and tag 3 friends below. And then boom, they're going to announce the winner this. So let's see who the winner is. I'm pretty excited to see that. I'm not gonna do it myself because I want one of you all to win. I want someone in the community win. I'm in the Baby Doge community as well. I have a lot of Baby Doge, but I want to see some of you all win. I don't want to be the one to take the Baby Doge NFTs away from people. But yeah, anyways, over here you can see Baby Doge Palm Map 2021. It's now the Palm Map 2022 because obviously it's not 2021 anymore. But yeah, we should still be getting the Baby Doge wallet, virtual physical debit cards, the exchange, the arcade, the NFT marketplace, all that stuff. I know sounds like a broken record at this point, but still, we still got to be hopeful and look towards the future. We still haven't even got our major listings yet. So literally, if we can get our major listings, that would literally be the thing that takes us to the moon. That would be literally what takes us to 6Z1. And I will be doing the math in my next video on that. And I will be doing a live stream tonight. So definitely look out for all that stuff. But now, I do want to talk about this because a lot of people have been talking about how the circulating supply on the Baby Doge tracker says that it's 154 quadrillion circulating supply. And then over here, it says 235 quadrillion. And to kind of debunk that, I'm just going to say it in simple terms, it's the burn wallet. So the only thing that gets subtracted from the circulating supply on Whale Watchers is the burn wallet. So when you look at Whale Watcher Finance, they're only subtracting from the burn wallet. They're not subtracting from the liquidity or anything like that. The liquidity is its own separate entity. And also, when you see the burns, they take the coins from the liquidity and then they burn it. So technically, it's still circulating. That's why Whale Watcher Finance shows it as circulating. So what you want to look at here is your total supply, 420 quadrillion, minus your circulating supply, 235 quadrillion, equaling 184 quadrillion. And we can kind of just confirm that now, just to kind of show you that this math is right. So this is the right amount, 235 quadrillion circulating supply. I know a few people have actually recommended me to go over this to kind of clear it up. So I'm definitely going to do it. Hopefully they watch the full video. If not, then I guess it's whatever. But still, let's go ahead and do this and subtract this circulating supply and go over here to the calculator and paste. So boom, 184,496. I have to hit the refresh button. And also the next update is going to be in 21 hours. So that's why it's not 100% on point right now, because the next update is about to be in 24 hours. So we got to wait till it's updated. But still, this pretty much shows you where we're at right here. So yeah, that's a lot of burn supply that we already have here. And the circulating supply is, in fact, 235 quadrillion circulating supply. So yeah, that's pretty much the math right there. So 235 quadrillion is what we have circulating. And like I said, I'm going to do a whole math video, how we're projected to get to 6Z1, how people are becoming millionaires off of this, and how you could as well. But anyways, we're going to move on from this and kind of wrap it up here with the technicals. Like I said, don't get tricked by that 2.8 pump. If we pump back up to 2.8, don't get tricked by it. I mean, we're already almost at 2.8. But like if we do hit 2.8 very soon, don't be tricked, because it could very easily hit 2.4 after that, because that's where our bottom support is literally set at. When we look at the bull flags, that's where the bottom of our support areas are set. So do not be fooled. We have not traded sideways at the bottom yet. And what do I mean by trading sideways at the bottom? Look at what happened when Baby Doge bottomed here. We bottomed and then we traded sideways very briefly. And now look, we haven't bottomed yet, but when we bottom like this, you'll see a very brief sideways trading before the pump. So that's what we got to watch out here for Baby Doge. And like I said, anything can happen. You just gotta wait for it. But where I would say we're at right now, we're probably around more so around this area right here where we're nearly bottomed, but we're not yet there. So right over here, we're nearly bottomed, but not yet there. So wait till it bottoms, and then it's gonna be at the bottom very briefly. It's not gonna stay at 2.4 forever. So right now would be a good time to get in. 2.6, good time to get in. 2.5, good time to get in. 2.4, you're really pushing it because it's not going to be there that long. So you really want to make sure that you can get in whenever you can. I just made a video about how to buy Baby Doge if you want to watch that and see how to buy it. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, just kind of showing what I think is going to come next for Baby Doge. So yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe though. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.